Dave here. How are you? I planted a cherry tree. It's inside this tube, but I planted a cherry tree here and I've dug quite a deep hole for it and filled it up with potting mix. Now, the ground here can become dry very quickly. So I've driven a piece of 4-inch PVC pipe. It's about this long. How long? About this long. about 14 inches. So that would be around 350 to 400 millimeters long. So I used a block of wood and I had a hammer and just hit it like that to get it down maybe just above the ground level so it doesn't wash in when it's got a lot of rain happening, but also down low enough so I can just run the lawnmower straight over the top. Now then, I've got this problem where I've got all this dirt in there, so I've got this drill, and let's see if I can evict a bit of the dirt that's in there. Now I'm brave because there might be funnel webs in there, but I'm just going to put my hand in. We'll see what happens. That's come out quite easily. And for people that might be concerned, well, I've got a bloody big hole here now that maybe a child could get their foot caught in there, or a pet or something, or a native animal. Fill it up with blue metal, like really coarse blue metal. I've got some that's around about 40 to 50 millimeters. And I'll throw that in, and then I can hose this, and the water will soak all the way down to the roots, and it will encourage the roots from this tree to go deep rather than just spreading out and try and get the water near the top. So that will help to drought protect my cherry. Thanks for watching.